Well, hello and welcome back to a new YouTube video. Well, it's the 7th of September 2025. The time is 19:37 p.m. and it's about 20 minutes until a partial eclipse and a blood moon at the same time. I am currently here at Oslo Airport. I'm trying to plan a photo of the blood moon behind the airport tower here at the airport. Currently, the moon will rise in this direction. This is almost exact east, and I need to get 400 or 500 meters that way to get to my pin where I have lined up the shot to get the moon exactly where I want it. So it's going to be exciting. There are some fences and stuff around, and I'm not quite sure if it's going to work, but we'll have to get there, and we'll have to try it out before the moon rises. So that was not a win. A lot of different photographers showed up at the location you could see before. Now I'm back at the platform to have free visibility to the tower, but the moon is covered behind a layer of clouds, and it has been almost since we couldn't even see it when it started to come up over the horizon. We saw it first at way over the tower, and then it was too late. So that was a bummer, because 2 years to the next possibility of this type of occurring. But you never know, and you have to try. So the lesson for today is that you should get out no matter what, if you really want, and there's a shot that you have planned for a long time, and there is possibilities of a, I would say, epic photo. You should take the risk and take the leap. Do it. You might get lucky, and maybe your photo will get awarded somehow. It could be your shot to make it in terms of your career, or in terms of just your hobby or anything. So I'm gonna head back home, and yeah, this was a rather short video, but yeah, we did see the moon, so not a total failure, but yeah, it was a good try. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, ha det bra.